while solving a 5 cube, you might encounter with certain situations which are a little difficult than that we see in the 3 cube, which means that in some cases you might encounter with a problem that looks like this. The rest of the cube is solved, but you have an edge piece that looks like this. In this particular case, I have marked the X piece right next to the red side. So we are going to learn how to move these pieces to its actual right place. Now it is interesting to note that this problem that you face is very similar to the problem that you face in a 4 cube. Almost the same algorithm is used to solve this particular case also. So to solve in this particular case, we'll call this as the middle right layer, this as the middle left layer, and this as the middle layer. Although in this particular case, we are actually not going to use the middle layer at all. We'll solve this problem just like we learned how to solve in this particular case. The first step is to actually move the middle right layer. Always remember that whenever we take a middle right move, we have to move the top twice. And whenever we take a middle left move, we have to move the front layer twice. So the first step is to move this middle right layer down like this. Move the top layer twice, then move the left layer down like this and move the front layer. Now the next step is to bring this middle left layer up like this and move the front layer twice like this. Now the first part of the algorithm is done. The second part is going to be a little easier than the first part. In this particular case, we are going to move the middle right layer twice like this and move the top layer twice. Now move the middle right layer up once like this and move the top layer twice like this. Now the next step is to bring the middle right layer down once like this and move the top layer twice like this. Now the third part of this algorithm is the easiest part. It is the shortest part and very easy to remember. So in this particular part, I'm going to move the front layer twice like this. Now I'll move the middle right layer twice like this. And now I'll move the front layer again twice like this. The whole cube is solved. Easy, right? Now you can see that the X that I had marked here is now here, which was actually next to the red side, is now next to the orange side. This means that this piece is actually not flipped on this side, but it is actually taken from this side to this side. At this point, it is quite obvious that if you know how to solve a 4 cube, a 5 cube and a 6 cube is quite easy for you, because literally all the possible situations that you can encounter in any type of cube is there in this 4 cube. While solving the edge pieces, you can come across situations that are like this. There are two sides which are in a zigzag manner that we just learned how to solve, but the rest of the edges are actually solved. So this problem actually has a very easy solution. Now the first thing that we are going to do is to take these two on opposite edge sides like this. So we have the zigzag here, so we have the other zigzag right here. Now what we are going to do is to take the middle layer twice like this. Now the blue and yellow middle layer that was actually here is now with the green and yellow side, and the green and yellow middle layer that was actually supposed to be here is now with the blue and yellow. Now that these two have been exchanged, now I'm just simply going to flip this edge like this. And I'm going to bring the middle layer back like this. Now by doing this, this layer is solved and also this layer is solved. Now for situations like this, where all the other edge pieces are solved and we have just these two edge pieces which are confused and not solved. Now we have these two whites and these two blues solved, and we have its third partner right here which we need to bring here. The very simple algorithm for this particular case is to bring this side right here, flip this whole side like this, and bring this piece back right here. This way, this whole side is solved and this whole side is solved. If this particular side is actually not solved, you know how to solve this. You can go back to the timestamp on the screen and learn how to solve if this piece looks like zigzagged. Now with this video, if you learned how to tackle all the edge related problems in a 5 cube, give this video a like. It supports the channel, and subscribe to this channel because I'll be putting up a lot of cube related videos, and also comment down below on any other kind of video that you would like me to make.